Hello YouTube, this is Miss Adventures and today we're going to do a 5-minute tip. First, I just wanted to show you, I have what looks like a toaster oven, but this is an old toaster oven that has had all of the electrical has been removed. It's been cut. And so it's a non-functioning toaster oven, and that's really important to cut all the electrical. I got a temperature gauge from an old barbecue grill, and so as you can see, and then I just go ahead and put that here so that I could tell what the temperature is in the oven. I have here a fondue set that I had purchased, and so what we want to do is go ahead and also we want to use a fondue uh, uh, liquid, which is basically 100% alcohol, I believe, and very very carefully you want to put some of the fondue into the fondue set, some liquid into the fondue set, and if it leaks, which mine just did, you must clean it up. Then you also want to get some on your cotton ball. Put the cotton ball on the inside, and you keep this because to turn it off, you're gonna cover it up. So this is very important. And if you need to wipe any residual to do that. And you want to make sure that it is free from any and all residual liquid. And then you want to put it inside, light it up. Today I'm going to make pizza. So what you do is you close it and warm up your stove. There we go. So then you get a nice flame there. And so you keep it partially open. It'll help warm up the RV while you get your pizza together. There's no electricity whatsoever. The pizza there. Now if the flame is too strong, just go ahead and lower the flame by regulating it this way. Now the pizza is almost cooked. It's just a matter of melting the cheese and then adding some extras. With these frozen pizzas, although they're on sale, they're under $2. And then just place the pizza inside and warm it up. I checked on the pizza. It's been about 10 minutes and the cheese is still melting, but if you look underneath, it's looking better. So I'm going to go ahead and close it, and I'm hungry, so it's warm. It's good enough for me. How do you turn it off, right? Because that's the big question. So the way you turn it off is you make sure that You close it, and then you take this and you just go over it, and it stops the flame and it keeps it safe. And now the flame is gone, and now it's safe to close it, and it's done. And by the way, the timer still works too. So go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment.